Hello, my students. I'm giving you a story writing. A story writing I am giving you. Note this in your khata, in your exercise book. এটা খাতায় তুলে নাও। স্টোরিটা হলো an intelligent cap seller developed the following outline into a story. A cap seller, basket of caps, rest under a tree. Asleep monkeys woke up, own caps immediate. An intelligent cap seller. Once upon a time, a cap seller lived in a small town. He earned his living by cap selling. One day he set out, একদিন সে যাত্রা করলো, one day he set out to sell caps in a village fair. He walked and walked, so he got tired very much walking this long path. Luckily, he got a shadowy tree beside the path. He sat down under the tree. Within a few minutes, he got sleep and he became asleep very soon. But his basket of caps was there beside him. A troop of monkeys were in the trees. They got down one by one. They took away all the caps. After a while, the cap seller awoke. Surprisingly, he saw there was no caps. He saw the monkeys were sitting on the tree branches, putting on the caps. He thought a plan. He threw his own cap to them. Imitating that, the monkeys also threw back their caps. The cap seller picked up the caps and went to fair. মোরালটা নিজেরা লিখে নেবা। আজকে স্টোরি অ্যান ইন্টেলিজেন্ট ক্যাপ সেলার, এটা খাতায় তুলে নেবা। মাধ্যমিকে আসতে পারে, এবার মাধ্যমিকে স্টোরি রাইটিং আসবে।